You wanna read it?
I
Says,
don't like reading.
let's try it together. Ready? Merry Christmas. What is that word? Up here. Remember this?
Two.
Two.
What's that?
G. That's pretty fancy. Jada.
Oh.
From
Santa.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
Okay, just pull those.
Jelly. Okay. A scooter!
What?
He knew that I already got the city back and now he gave me a scooter. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, ow.
Can you take it off?
Yeah, let me see it.
Oh yeah. It's purple, my favorite color. It's purple. Look, it's my favorite color. Oh,
Whoa, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Oh, okay.
Put it down for a minute.
Down? Okay. It's purple. It's my favorite color. Woo!
Try it out.
I did scooter.
Oh, we're gonna have to use your helmet when we use it, okay?
Okay.
What do you think about that?
I like it.
That is awesome.
It's a perfect size.
And it's purple. It's my favorite color.
And it's purple.
Nice.
Wow, that's awesome.
Cool.
Good. We want to throw the bag away? We're done with it?
Oh, no, there's something else in it too.
What?
There it is.
Yeah. Ooh. I think I know this. Oh, it's a pen.
Oh.
Yay! I got it. Wee, cool.
It looks like there's some other things in that box.
Let me see. What's on the picture?
It's like trees and
What's that, a tent?
leaves.
What's this?
It's a sleepy bag.
Another one?
I get two? Huh? Cool. Okay, there we go. We keep this bag. I like it. Cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to show you
That's exciting.
everything that's yours? That was so awesome of Santa. You okay?
Yeah.